Good afternoon. So today I want to talk to you about Abra's take on the future of what we call decentralized investing, and also show you a product that we're launching next week that takes advantage of the concepts that I'm going to talk to you about. So obviously this slide is not a surprise to everyone. Unless you've been under a rock, you know that Bitcoin has been going up and to the right. That's great. Obviously, many of you here have done very well by this, but I didn't get into Bitcoin specifically to make money on the currency going up and to the right. I got into it because I saw huge potential in the idea of having programmable money. But what is the killer app for Bitcoin if it really is programmable money? So if you've seen me present before, at Abra we actually think that there's 3 killer use cases for Bitcoin beyond just using it as a speculative asset class. Today I'm going to talk to you about just one of those 3, which is we call decentralized investing. So centralized investing is something everybody in this room has done before, whether it's for stocks or bonds or commodities. It's what you know when you're buying an investment. You have a buyer, you have a seller. There's usually somebody bringing the two of you together. The assets are held in custody, and at the end of the day, the buyer sells their asset and makes a profit based upon the original model. With decentralized investing, specifically using Bitcoin, right, you can use smart contract technology now to effectively enter into an agreement with somebody who takes the opposite bet as you, who may want to go long on an asset, with somebody who may want to go short on an asset. And you agree on a price, and using a third-party smart contract oracle, you can manage a payout in a completely decentralized model, right? And if you know anything about the tech, you can use basically P2SH scripting built into standard Bitcoin to build this, and it's something that Abra has been doing for quite a while, right? So why would you want to do that versus the traditional model of investing? Well, one, you have instant settlement. You have minimal to no counterparty risk, depending upon how the smart contract is set up. If you know anything about short selling, borrowing can be expensive or problematic depending upon the asset class. And in the case of decentralized investing, no assets have to change hands. You're actually just doing a net settlement. It's kind of like if you have a gold fund and you invest in gold and the payout is in cash, you never actually took possession of gold. Well, think of decentralized investing as the same. If you can invest in theoretically any asset class, and if you're in the money, you're simply going to get paid out in Bitcoin. And so there's no third-party intermediary required for custody or settlement. So the potential of that is enormous. So Abra has been using this decentralized investing model since day one. If you're holding dollars in the Abra app, what you're actually holding is Bitcoin, whose value is pegged to the dollar using the model I described on the previous slide. We call this a synthetic currency, and Abra is, to my knowledge, the only app in the world that allows you to hold fiat currency in an app in a completely non-custodial model, using, again, this Bitcoin-based investing model that I just described. So today we do that with 50 currencies and allow you to move between Bitcoin and those currencies either in the app or across apps so that you can send money globally. And using this smart contract model, you can send dollars on one phone to euros on another phone, or euros on one phone to somebody who receives Bitcoin. Or we have a lot of users who just use it for Bitcoin as well as sending money. So today I'm going to take this decentralized investing model one step further and show you the next generation of where we're taking this with Abra. So today I'm announcing that the next version of Abra is actually going to have 3 wallets built in. So for the first time anywhere, I believe, you'll have a single non-custodial Bitcoin wallet that will allow you to hold Bitcoin, any one of 50 fiat currencies, again, non-custodial, and starting today, I'm going to show you in a minute, you'll be able to hold Ether, again, using hedged Bitcoin as well in the same HD wallet. So here I'm going to add actually a third wallet. I have 2 set up. I'm going to click on Add Another Wallet, and you see on the list that Ethereum is one of the options. So I'm going to choose Ether, and I now have 3 wallets. I've got Bitcoin, dollars, and Ether. So now I can actually scroll between the wallets. So if I scroll one way, I can see my dollar balance. I can see my Ether balance. So again, many of you who use online services have probably seen the ability to hold multiple wallets before, but what I'm guessing you've never seen before is a single smartphone application where the keys are on your phone, right, all based on Bitcoin, allowing you to effectively hold any currency. I think this is the world's first. So now if I want to add money, because I'm actually holding the Ethereum as a hedged smart contract, I have to add dollars or Bitcoin to the wallet first in order to set up my Ethereum balance. So I can do that with a really simple consumer experience by using my bank account, my American Express card, or just loading Bitcoin into the app. In this case, I have a bank account already set up, so I'm going to quickly add $100 to the app by doing an ACH. I confirm the deposit. I now have $100, but what I really wanted was $100 worth of Ethereum. So I can click on the exchange button and choose my dollar wallet and tell the app, please convert the dollars to Ethereum. Now, what this does when you convert the dollars, in this case I'm going to choose to convert the whole balance, is it takes the dollar smart contract, redeems it for Bitcoin, recreates the smart contract as Ethereum in real time, completely transparent to the user. Okay? So whether you're sending funds or moving funds on the same phone, it all works exactly the same way. So now you see that I have $100 or approximately $100 worth of Ethereum. Now let's say I also have some Bitcoin and I want to convert the Bitcoin to Ethereum as well. Well, now I can choose the Bitcoin wallet, choose the Ethereum wallet as the recipient, and enter part of my Bitcoin balance. And again, the smart contract is modified using this P2SH model to allow me to hedge an increased balance of Ethereum, so that now you can see that the amount of Ethereum that I'm holding in the app has gone up. Okay, so again, 100% based upon Bitcoin and completely non-custodial. So now let's say that I want to redeem, let's say the value's gone up, and I'm going to click on exchange again, and I want to convert my Ethereum balance back to Bitcoin. All I do now in the background is I redeem that smart contract, or an effective, to the consumer, it looks kind of like you're selling Ethereum. What you're actually doing is you're redeeming the contract. So I click on Ethereum. I'm going to convert that back to Bitcoin in this case, and I choose my entire balance. And you can see that my Ethereum balance is 0, and my Bitcoin balance represents the Ethereum that I was holding before. So what you've just seen, again, is the world's first consumer retail application that will allow you to hold 50+ fiat currencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, in a 100% non-custodial model where the consumer is responsible for their keys. And it's really easy at the first get-go to back this up. It actually asks you if you're a new user, and it walks you through a very simple backup process. We've integrated with US-based exchanges and look for Abra to be going global with this in the coming months via other exchange partners. And again, I believe we're bringing you an industry first where you can actually hold multiple currencies using this multi-sig model that I've been describing. So the app is in private beta right now. It'll be the current version is live today in the App Store. So if you download it today, you can get the new version, and it'll be turned on in the coming days. So we'd love for you to try it out and start doing some conversions between Bitcoin and Ether, and let us know what you think. So thanks a lot.